Hello tech lovers, welcome to IQcodec. I present myself, I'm called Suleiman Babam from FastDev.
And I am Kelly from IQcodec. In today's video tutorial, we are going to look on how to generate the password of a safe Wi-Fi network in your mobile device. In order to do this, we are going to need the following requirements: an Android phone running on Android version 10, and an app called QR Boot, which can be found on Play Store. A little remark: if it is your first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and activate the notification bell to stay tuned to our latest update. See you after this little intro.
Back to the tutorial. Here in front of me I'm having two devices, one that is connected to a secured network and the other one that is not connected to a secure network. So the first one is connected to a secure network and I don't know the password. I need to connect the second device to the same network that the first device is connected. So to proceed, I will first start by proving that I'm actually having Android version 10. Yeah. As you can see, I'm running on Android version 10. And on my second device, as Kelly said, you need to install the QR Boot, an app that is available both on Android devices and iOS devices. So the step is followed by entering the Wi-Fi network. You'll notice on Android version 10 that there is a QR code just at your left top. You click on the QR code, then I verify. So you need to take the second device and move to your QR Boot app that is available on iOS and Android. You enter that. Then what we need to do is to scan the QR code on the first device. So as you can see, on the second device we have the different options that are available and presented to us. That you have to view. You can view the code, you can connect to the Wi-Fi, you can copy the password, and you can copy the network name. So what we will do is to copy the password. Then we move to our notepad where I can paste the password, as you can see. So as I paste the password here, you can still paste it in the network that we need to connect. So moving to our network. Here, this is the network that the first device is actually connected on. Then I paste the password here, then connect. As you can see, it's connected successfully and there is no internet. That is that for the tutorial of today. Hope you subscribe, hope you love and comment for the next tutorial.
And that was all about the video. So hope you guys actually enjoyed the video. We had Suleiman from FastDev and Kelly from IQcodec, which is one of our newest partners. In case you have any problem, please leave a comment on the comment section and remember to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Stay tuned for our latest tips and hacks on IQcodec. I am Fabrice from IQcodec. See you in my next video.